Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on many men, many, 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 many men. Wish they for me, yeah, I don't cry no more. I don't look to the sky no more, cause I got it on me. I got it on me. I got it on me. You can run up if you want.
Fuck is you talking about? Look, it's Pop Smoke, niggas know me. Keep 2 4s like I'm Kobe. As you riding or you hiding, if you sliding and you owe me. Run up, catch cold feet. Niggas act tough to call police. I don't make friends, yeah, I make bands. Want some rain bands or some OG. This AR be my trophy. Shoot first, niggas shoot back. Oh nah, niggas woo back. Nigga automatic when a woo clap. Shoot first, niggas shoot back. Oh nah, niggas woo back. Nigga automatic when a woo clap.
Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on many men, many, 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 many men. Wish they for me, yeah, I don't cry no more. I don't look to the sky no more, cause I got it on me. I got it on me. I got it on me. You can run up if you want.
50 shots up in his back, I won't let up. HD niggas throwing Beretta. Shoot first, you do yourself a favor. Report like I'm Craig Sager. Back out niggas in with the bluffing. Dread Bull and niggas shoot you for nothing. 10 toes on your block like I'm drumming. SK, I have a blink, it's Pop Smoke. It's that nigga from the floor, shit bitch right back. And I don't politic, cause niggas ain't like that. I drop a slip or 2 and get a light pack. And I don't care if you lose and still fight back. Have mercy
on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on many men, many, 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 many men. Wish they for me, yeah, I don't cry no more. I don't look to the sky no more, cause I got it on me. I got it on me. I got it on me. You can run up if you want. Mercy on me.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone...
Seems they got some fight in them after all.
Somebody unlocked the door downstairs. It's a door they not supposed to have open.
How the hell did those kids find us?
Should be more careful.
I think you right by the exit. I'm over here camping at. Yep. The one that you about to come up. Might be. I'm about to go to our exit right now. They might be over there. That's where it is. That was probably the new one.
Oh, yo.
What are you gonna do?
Oh shit.
Damn, yo.
I got scared as fuck.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the exit in the front part. Just in case they over there. Them motherfuckers got through last, man. I ain't letting that shit again. Hell no.
Yeah, they got the generator open over there. Or door open over there.
Yeah, I think they coming over here.
Oh, so that's what that was. Somebody was near the bird's nest. That's why I picked that up.
Yeah, you're gonna. If you see the chickens move, then that means they over there in that area. Or it could have been us.
Oh, they destroyed your trap that was over here.
I didn't even put no traps down.
Aren't you the hitchhiker?
Yeah, but I didn't put no traps down yet.
Bad.
Yeah, it's probably scrap.
I don't think so, though. I'm telling you.
I ain't put no traps down though.
That's strange.
I'm about to put some at this exit though.
Bro, I know we not about to have another match like last time,
That's what I'm saying. They're like too quiet.
bro. Right.
Like how they get quiet?
Exactly.
Here you go, old man.
Oh shit, Leland over here. Fuck.
Where?
I don't even know where the fuck he went. Oh shit.
You at the front exit?
Yeah, he like in this building somewhere. Just lost what he was through
I'll find you.
here. See your bitch ass
Don't you worry about that.
bitch ass nigga. Yeah, don't come to this fucking area.
Oh, somebody leaving.
Damn.
Damn.
Go ahead and hide. You ain't going back. They always leave a trail.
He over here.
This is gonna be easy.
You see him?
Going back inside.
Yeah.
Go kill someone now. Go on.
He went out.
Damn it, Johnny. Get your head straight. Come on now.
What door? No. You come out that way.
Where did you go?
Nigga, he must have got through there another way then. Yo, nigga.
Oh shit.
I'm high as fuck. Well, I don't know where this nigga at, yo. This nigga pissing me off.
Where?
Y'all let that nigga get away again. I'm about to kill him now. Damn. Y'all can't do it. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, crickets. OG did it. OG did it. I'm getting there. What you mean? I'm nice. I'm better than the randoms y'all play with, nigga. Yeah. Yeah, right. Get him on here, nigga. I can boost off him. Yeah, I'm hunting shit.
If we get Jaden, then we're gonna have to be victims, bitch, and you can't be scared.
Nah, he could be the victim. He could be a victim.
I just texted them and said, yo, yeah.
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm tryna be what I'm destined to be, and niggas tryna take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me, cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These pussy niggas put money on my head. Gone, get your refund, motherfucker. I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest, something like Ali in his prime. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocked on the humble. Swing the ox when I rumble. Show your ass with my gun do. Gotta tip a nigga, go ahead, lose your head. Turn your back on me, get clapped and lose your legs. I walk around, gun on my waist, chip on my shoulder, till I bust a clip in your face. Posted this beef ain't over. Many men, many men wish death upon me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men, many men wish death. Sunny days wouldn't be special if it wasn't for rain. Joy wouldn't feel so good if it wasn't for pain. Death gotta be easy, cause life is hard. It'll leave you physically, mentally, and emotionally scarred. This is for my niggas on the block, twisting trees and cigars. For the niggas on lock, doing life behind bars. I don't see only God can judge me, cause I see things clear. Quick, these crackers will give my black ass 100 years. I'm like Paulie and Goodfellas, you can call me the Don. Like Malcolm by any means, with my gun in my palm. Slim switch sides on me, let niggas ride on me. I thought we was cool, why you want me to die, homie? Many men, many men wish death upon me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men, many men wish death upon me. Every night I talk to God, but he don't say nothing back. I know he protected me, but I still stay with my gat and my nightmares. Niggas keep pulling checks on me. Cypher said some bitch done put a hex on me. The feds didn't know much when Pop got shot.